Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the development shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. After the 2024 Category 3 Hurricane Beryl and before the October 2025 Category 5 Hurricane Melissa, the Jamaican economy grew by 5.1% in the July to September quarter of 2025 compared to the same period in 2024, according to the Statistical Institute of Jamaica. Reflecting a recovery from the economic blows of Hurricane Beryl in July 2024, this increase in output was due to a rise in value added from the goods producing industries of 10.9% and the services industry of 3.3%. Supreme Ventures has made two significant changes to its portfolio of companies. First, Supreme Ventures has announced that initial discussions are underway with a view to offloading Evolve Loan Company's loan portfolio, digital lending solutions, and selected assets to Dollar Financial Services Limited. Established in 2002, Evolve Loan Company has 7 branches in St. Anne's Bay, St. Anne, Mandeville, Manchester, Portmore, St. Catherine, Junction, St. Elizabeth, Concert Spring Road in St. Andrew, and the head office located at 7 Lismore Avenue in Kingston. The second move by Supreme Ventures is for their Supreme Ventures Racing and Entertainment Limited division, and that company has acquired the SportsMax infrastructure. Supreme Ventures Racing, operators of Caymanas Park Horse Racing Complex, says it will be bringing its broadcast and operation in-house following the cessation of operations by SportsMax, which had provided third-party broadcast services to the entity since 2018. In a statement, the company said the decision came after a review of options following the wind-up of SportsMax operations. For the most recent trading period, the most actively traded securities on the Jamaica Stock Exchange were Kintyre Holdings Jamaica Limited with 4,460,655 units, representing 21.02% of market sales activities. Sagicor Select Funds Limited Manufacturing and Distribution with 2,655,824 units, representing 12.52% of market sales volume. Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 1,916,037 units, representing 9.03% of market sales activities. Investors' activity remained concentrated in infrastructure, energy, and manufacturing plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market, based on Bank of Jamaica data, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $159.47 and buying at $157.88. For the Canadian dollar, there was moderate gains supported by $1 transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $116.36 and was bought for $115.36. For the British pound, there was continued volatility offered by short-term trading opportunities for the banks. The British pound sold for $213.06 and was bought for $210.64. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For the credit report tip of the day, most people are taught to see a credit score as a judgment of past mistakes. Investors see a credit score differently. A strong credit profile is a reset button, one that gives you access to capital, better terms, and the ability to acquire income-producing assets without waiting years to save cash. When you learn how to start fresh with your credit score, debt stops being a burden and starts becoming a strategic tool for ownership, cash flow, and long-term growth. In our Funded and Focused feature, economic pressure is reshaping the role of human resources in real time. Beyond recruitment and retention, HR managers are now navigating increased staff loan requests, payroll advances, and declining productivity as employees struggle to stretch their salaries. When financial stress spills over into the workplace, it becomes a talent management issue, not a personal one. This is the moment for HR leaders to move from reactive support to structured financial wellness solutions that help employees regain control of debt, understand their credit, and better manage their income. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital, markets, and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.